Imagine a vending machine. You insert money, make a selection, and out comes your snack. This simple transaction, driven by pre-programmed rules, perfectly illustrates the concept of a smart contract. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts written in code. This code is stored on the blockchain and automatically enforces the contract's rules. The blockchain, if you did not already know, being a decentralized and transparent digital ledger. Just like the vending machine dispenses a snack when certain conditions are met, a smart contract automatically executes its terms when predefined conditions are fulfilled. Think of it as a digital agreement that triggers actions when predefined conditions are met. For example, if A happens, then B is executed automatically and trustlessly. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as lawyers or banks, to facilitate, enforce and verify agreements. Instead, the code itself acts as the impartial intermediary, ensuring fairness and automatic execution. Once the contract is deployed, it runs autonomously, cutting out the middleman. This makes the process and transactions as a whole faster, cheaper and more secure. In the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, smart contracts are the backbone that powers everything, from lending platforms to decentralized exchanges. Traditional contracts, often laden with legal jargon and requiring physical signatures, can be cumbersome and time-consuming. They rely heavily on intermediaries to interpret and enforce agreements, adding layers of complexity and cost. Smart contracts, in contrast, streamline this process. Imagine buying a house. Traditionally, this involves lawyers, banks, and mountains of paperwork. With smart contracts, the entire process, from verifying ownership to transferring funds, can be automated and executed securely on the blockchain. This shift from paper to code brings a new level of efficiency and transparency to agreements. All parties involved can track the progress of the contract in real time, eliminating disputes arising from misunderstandings or lack of information. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a prime example of smart contracts in action. Let's consider lending and borrowing. Traditionally, you'd approach a bank, provide collateral, and undergo a lengthy approval process. DeFi lending platforms, powered by smart contracts, cut out the middleman. Think of connecting your digital wallet to a DeFi platform. You can use smart contracts to deposit cryptocurrency as collateral. The contract ensures that you'll receive the loan as long as the collateral is sufficient, and it automatically enforces repayment terms. If you fail to repay, the collateral is liquidated, all without human intervention. The smart contract can automatically calculate interest rates based on supply and demand, ensuring fair and transparent lending practices for all. Repayment and interest accrual are also automated, eliminating the risk of missed payments or disputes over terms. Smart contracts allow DeFi to operate 24/7 globally and without the need for traditional financial institutions. This is what makes DeFi truly revolutionary. This opens up financial services to a wider audience, even those without access to traditional banking systems. One of the most significant advantages of smart contracts is the concept of trustlessness. In traditional agreements, trust is paramount. We rely on banks, lawyers, and governments to act honestly and transparently. Smart contracts remove this need for trust. The contract runs automatically without needing to trust a third party. Since the code is publicly auditable and its execution is immutable, everyone involved can be confident that the agreement will be carried out exactly as programmed, without the risk of manipulation or bias. This trustless environment fosters greater confidence and security in transactions, particularly in scenarios where parties may not have pre-existing relationships or where trust has been broken in the past. But just like any technology, smart contracts aren't perfect. The code must be written flawlessly, because once it's deployed on the blockchain, it can't be changed. Once deployed, it's nearly impossible to alter or hack a smart contract. While they offer numerous benefits, with all things, there is an offset chance for things to go awry. One significant concern is the potential for code vulnerabilities. Just like any software, smart contracts can contain bugs or vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. A well-publicized example is the DAO hack of 2016. A flaw in the code of a decentralized autonomous organization allowed hackers to drain millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. This incident highlighted the critical importance of thorough auditing and testing. Before deploying a smart contract, especially one handling significant value, rigorous audits by independent security experts are crucial. They must be tested thoroughly to ensure they are secure and operate as expected. These audits meticulously scrutinize the code for vulnerabilities, ensuring its robustness and resilience against attacks. Smart contracts represent a paradigm shift in how we think about agreements. They offer a glimpse into a future where trust is established not through intermediaries, but through transparent and immutable code. This has the potential to democratize access to services, reduce friction in transactions, and empower individuals in unprecedented ways. Imagine a world where complex legal contracts are replaced with easily understandable smart contracts, accessible to everyone. Disputes are resolved swiftly and fairly through automated processes, eliminating the need for lengthy and costly litigation. This future, while still evolving, is closer than we think. As blockchain technology continues to advance and adoption grows, we can expect to see smart contracts playing an increasingly central role in our digital lives. Smart contracts, while still a relatively new technology, hold immense promise. They offer a powerful toolkit for creating secure, transparent, and efficient agreements, revolutionizing how we interact and transact in the digital age. By understanding the basics of smart contracts, their benefits, and potential risks, we can begin to explore their transformative potential across various industries. As we embrace this new era of digital agreements, we pave the way for a more equitable, efficient, and trustworthy digital future. Thank you for tuning in to DeFi Tactics, your gateway to the future of finance and technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos covering a range of topics from decentralized finance and blockchain technology to cryptocurrencies, CBDCs, and beyond. We're here to help you navigate the rapidly evolving financial landscape with confidence. Until next time.